Launch your Start menu, go to Settings, under Accessibility, look for Keyboard, and here you can see on-screen keyboard. Currently it is toggled off. You can also toggle it on. This will turn on your on-screen keyboard. Also you can use shortcut key button, Window, Control and O button, like Window, Control and O. Select and right click on this icon, go to Properties, then under Shortcut View, click on Advanced and check this box, Run as Administrator, click OK, hit Apply, press Continue and then hit OK. Now the next time you will launch this in Excel, it will ask for user account control permission. Click Yes. Click on Start menu, go to Settings, go to System, go to For Developers and toggle this on. Click Yes, and now you can install apps from any source including loose files. Go to Start menu, type here Control, go to Control Panel, search here Change User Account Control Settings. Click here and change these to always notify me when I have tried to install software or make changes to my computer, and then click OK. Launch your Start button, type here Control Panel, launch Control Panel, then go for Backup and Restore. Click here, click on Create a System Image, choose the drive which is present in your system. It is always better to keep an external drive for taking backup. Then hit Next and please confirm the backup setting and then click on Start Backup. Press Window and R key together. Type here regedit, press Enter. Give your user account control permission. Go to HKey classes roots, open this up and then scroll down and locate all file system objects. Click here, then go to Shell X, then open up context menu handler, select the folder, do a right click, click on New and press key and type here copy to, press Enter. Now select this folder, double click on default and paste here this date. Once done, hit OK. Go to a folder, do a right click, then go to Show More options and here you can see now copy to folder have come up. Press Window and R together, type here regedit, press Enter, give your permission. Go to HKey classes root, click here, locate all file system objects, open here, then click on this Shell X, then open this context menu handler, select these, do a right click, click on New, then go to key and press it and type here, press Enter, then double click on this default and paste this value data. Instead of 0, delete this and enter number 1. Click OK. Close the registry editor and now do a right click, go to Show More options and here you can see Move to folder. Go to Start menu, click on Settings, go to Personalization, go to Themes, scroll down and click on this desktop icon settings and choose the desktop icons like I want computer, recycle bin, control panel, hit Apply and then click OK. Select the folder icon, do a right click, go to Show More options, click on Properties, then go to Customize View tab. Here you will see this change icon, click here and from here you can choose the icon, like I want to change this icon to a tree icon, hit OK, click Apply and then hit OK. That's it. Launch your Start menu, go to Settings, under Accessibility, go to your text size, and you can increase the text size like this. After applying the changes, hit Apply. Launch Start button, click on Settings, go to Display, on this drop down arrow and choose from the available resolution and hit Apply. If you want to keep the changes, then click Changes, or you can also revert. Go to Start menu, click on Settings, go to Display, and here you will see this scale icon. Click on this downward pointing arrow. You can choose from the available scaling. I am choosing 150, and now you can see the scaling has now got increased. You can also choose custom value for your custom scaling. Percentage like 110, and then click this check button. Launch your Start button, click on Settings, go to Network and Internet, file Hotspot, click this arrow, click here Edit, give a new name and the password of your choice, and then hit Save. Go to Start menu, type here MS Info 32, click here, and this is your BIOS version. Launch your Start menu, go to Settings, go to System, then go to Storage, then click on this Advanced Storage Settings, drop down and click on this Disk and Volumes, and then choose the disk properties, and here you can see the drive health. Go to Start menu, click on Settings, go to Privacy and Security, click on this Activity History, and here you will see Clear Activity History for this account. Just hit Clear History, hit Clear, and it's done. Go to your File Explorer, choose any picture, do a right click, go to Open With, click on this Paint, click on this Resize and Skew button, and reduce the size of this picture as per the requirement, and hit OK, and now click Save. Now you can see the size is now 200 KB only. Click on Start menu, type here command, run it as administrator, provide your permissions, and execute. Open your Start menu, type here System Restore, click on Create a Restore Point, select the drive that you want to, click on Configure, turn the system protection on, hit Apply, and then click OK. Select the drive, then click on Create, give a system restore prompt, then hit Create. Now system protection will create a restore prompt. You will receive a message, the system restore point was created successfully. If you want to check, go to System Restore, click Next, and here you will see our system restore level 01 is now available to restore. This window and R key together and type here regedit, press enter. If user account control pops up, then click yes. To create backup of registry, go to File, click Export, choose the location, give a name to file, and hit Save. Go to your Start menu, do a right click on this terminal admin, click yes, Click on this downward pointing arrow, go to settings, then go to color schemes and choose from the different color schemes available here. Click set as default, hit save. Click on start menu, type here services, click here. Now look for the services that you want to delay. Suppose I am choosing this Google Updater service, double click here and under starter type choose automatic delete start, hit apply and click OK. Click on search, type here GP edit. This will open up local group policy editor. Now click on this user configuration, go to administrative templates, go to Windows components and then look for file explorer. Prevent access to drives from my computer, double click here. If it is not currently configured, choose enable and pick one of the following combinations. Then hit apply and click OK. Select the folder, do a right click, go to properties, go to security, click on advanced, click on disable inheritance, convert inheritance permission into explicit permission on this object, click here. Now it is changed to none. Select the user, click on show advanced permissions and unchange this delete subfolders and file and delete. Hit OK, click apply and hit OK again. Open your file explorer, select any file that you want to prevent other users to access. Like for this example I am choosing this picture, right click, go to properties and under security select the user that you want to control the access, click on edit, select the user and choose deny permission, hit apply and click OK. Go to your start menu, type here gpedit.msc, click here, double click on user configuration, click on administrative templates, double click on control panel, double click on this prohibit access to control panel and PC settings, check this enabled, hit apply and click OK. Go to start menu, type here gpedit, click on edit group policy, click on user configuration, then go to administrative templates, then open systems and double click on this prevent access to the command prompt. Come here, click this enabled, hit apply and click OK. Go to start menu, type here gpedit.msc, click here, under computer configuration, go to administrative templates and go under Windows components, scroll down and look for this store, double click here. Now double click on this turn off the store application, click enable, hit apply and click OK. Launch your start menu, type here gpedit.msc, click here, go to user configuration, then go to administrative templates, then open system, prevent access to registry editing tools, double click here, click enabled, hit apply and then click OK. Go to GP Edit, click here. Under User Configuration, go to Administrative Templates, then under Administrative Templates, look into System, and here you will see Control-Alt-Delete option. Double click here, and then you will see this Remove Task Manager. Double click here, choose Enabled, hit Apply and click OK. Go to Search, look for Control Panel, open Control Panel, look for here Internet option, click here. Now go to Connections, go to LAN Settings, check this box, use a proxy server, and type here any random address. Hit OK and then hit OK. Launch your Start menu, look for here Windows, click here and check this box called Hyper-V and then click OK. Close it and restart your computer. Launch your Start menu, type in here Windows, look for this Turn Windows feature on and off, click here, scroll down and check this box Microsoft Print to PDF and then hit OK. Close it and restart your PC. Launch your Start menu, look for Windows feature turn and off, click here and then look for this Microsoft XPS document writer, check this box and then hit OK and then close and restart your PC. Launch your Start button, go to Settings, then go to Systems, go to Multitasking and toggle this on title bar window shape and close this one, and I choose this app and toggle like this. All other apps now are minimized. Press window and R key together, type here reg edit, press enter, give your user account control permissions, open HK local machine, then go to software, to policies, then open this Microsoft folder, look for Windows, select Windows, do a right click on new, press key and type here Edge UI, press enter, do a right click on this blank area, click on new, then go to dword 32-bit value, click here and type here, press enter, double click and give a 0, then press OK. Close all this up and remember to do backup of registry before doing this. Launch your Start menu, go to Settings, click on Personalization, then go to Lock Screen. Under Personalize your lock screen, click on this downward pointing arrow and select Windows Spotlight. You can also choose lock screen status like weather, mail, dev home and calendar. I am currently going with weather, and show the lock screen background picture on the sign in options as enabled. Launch your start menu, type your control, launch your control panel from here, then click on this network and internet, and then go to network and sharing center. Then click on change advanced sharing settings. Click on this downward pointing arrow for all networks, and from here you can change the file sharing connections encryption settings like 128-bit or 40 or 56-bit. Press window and R button to run command. Type here, press enter. Click on services, hide all Microsoft services, and you can uncheck this boxes if you don't want this service to be running in background. Hit apply, click OK, and then restart your system. Press window and R button, type here regid, and then press OK. Go to H key current user, go to software, go to Microsoft, go to Windows, go to current version, look for Explorer, click on this autocomplete. Inside this blank area, do a right click, click on new, and click on this string value. Auto suggest, double click here and give your value as no. Click OK, and then restart your computer to take the effect. Please remember to keep backup of your registry before making any changes inside the registry editor. Launch your start menu, click on settings, go to systems, then look for troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, then here you will see this audio button, run the troubleshooter, give your consent. Now it will scan the problems related with your audio and ask you to perform certain actions. Press window and R button together and type here it, press OK, Control A, and then delete. The action can't be completed because the file is open in Microsoft Edge. So here we cannot delete this, we have to skip this one, and now close this. Launch your File Explorer, click on this PC, open C drive, go to Windows, go to Software Distribution, click on this download, select all and press delete. This will delete all update caches. Continue. Launch your start menu, type here Windows features, click on this turn Windows features on or off, and uncheck this remote differential compression for API support. Click OK, close this one, and now launch your command prompt, run it as administrator, click yes, type in your command, then press enter, type in here next command, press enter, restart your computer to take the effect. Launch your start menu, type here internet options, click here, then go to advanced tab view, use TLS 1.1, 1.2 and 1.3. If this is unchecked, check this one, hit apply and then click OK. Launch your start button, go to settings, click on systems and click on multitasking, and enable this snap windows. And now when you hover over this, you can see the snap window is now again activated. Launch run command by pressing window and R button. Copy the first command. Press Ctrl C, come here, paste it, and then click OK. Now select all and delete. Now come to the second command. Copy this, press Ctrl C, launch your run command again by pressing window and R, paste here, press OK, and then select all and then press delete. Close this one and now go to settings, under personalization, then go to background, click here and choose Windows Spotlight and restart your system. Launch your start menu, go to settings, then go to systems, look for troubleshoot, go to other troubleshooters, and then under Windows Update, run. It will start detecting problems. Once the diagnostic is complete, it will show like service registration was missing or corrupt, then it was fixed. And if it's working, then you can say that yes, this has been fixed and click yes and close the troubleshoot. Click on this start button, go to settings, click on Windows Update, and here you will see get the latest update as soon as they are available. Toggle this on and then click for check for updates. Click on start menu, type here computer management, click here, open 3 local users and group, double click on groups, double click on administrators, and here click on add and type here authenticated users. Hit OK, hit apply and hit OK. Launch your start menu, click on settings, go to time and language, then go to date and time and toggle this off, show time and date in the system tray. Do a right click on desktop wallpaper, go to view and then uncheck this show desktop icons. Launch your start menu, drag and drop on this. Drag, drop, drag, drop. Start menu, do a right click here, go to start settings, scroll down, click on folders and just toggle it on. Close this and the next time when you launch your start menu, you will see this folder. Open your Windows Task Manager by pressing Ctrl Shift and Escape key. Click here. I don't want this PC Manager to run. Just come here and click on End Task, and you can free up that much memory space. Launch your Start button. Go to Settings, Network and Internet. Click here. Turn on your mobile hotspot. Go to your widget, go to settings, here you will see show or hide, click here and then turn this on. And then when you relaunch your widget panel, now your widget panel will be more clean. Click on Start menu, look for gpedit.msc, click here, click on Computer Configuration, click on Administrative Templates, then click on Windows Components. Scroll down to look for this Windows Update. Double click on this Manage End User Experience. Click on this Configure Automatic Updates. Check this enabled. And here you can select Auto Download, Notify to Install or Notify to Restart. Select this one, hit Apply and click OK. Click between network and your speaker icon. Come here and do a right click. Click on Edit Quick Settings and click on Add, like project. Also you can add task. You can also unpin this fire display, unpin this project. Once done, press. Punch your Start button, go to Settings, then go to Network and Internet, then under Advanced Network Settings, click here, click on this Data Usage, and here you can see the total network usage in the last 30 days. You can also enter a limit like for monthly, one time, weekly or daily. Come to this upward pointing arrow, click here, select the icon. When you see this pin icon, just drop it. Similarly, you can send this icon back to overflow pane. Highlight this, select, and when you see this unpin icon, just drop it. In this way, you can manage your overflow pane and system tray icons. Right click anywhere in taskbar, go to taskbar settings, turn this copilot off. If you want to turn this off widgets, you can turn it from here. If you want to turn this search box also, come here, click on this downward pointing arrow, select hide, come down. Here you will see taskbar behavior. Click on this downward pointing arrow. You can also change the taskbar alignment. Come here, click on nav. You can also automatically hide the taskbar. Go to File Explorer. Click on this piece. Select the drive. Do a right click. Go to Properties. Then under Sharing View tab, click on Advanced Sharing. Check this Share this folder. Go to Permissions. Permissions here like full control. You can also add here users. Hit Apply. Click OK. Hit Apply. Click OK. And close this one. Launch your Start menu. Go to Settings. Go to System. Then go to Display. And this is turned on. Then turn it off. Launch your Start menu. Click on Settings. Under Windows Update, you will see this Pause Update button here. Currently it is now downloading. Click on this downward pointing arrow and you can pause for 1 week, 2, 3 weeks, 4 weeks and 5 weeks. Currently I want to pause for 1 week. Let's click here. And now my Windows Update have been paused till next week. Click on Start menu. Type your command. Click on this Run as Administrator. Click Yes. And type your command sfc/scan now. and hit enter. Do a right click on File Explorer, click on this Pin to list, and now this is pinned to your quick access list. Similarly for program, also you can unpin by pressing this unpin button. Locate your recycle bin, do a right click and just press this pin to quick access. Now launch your File Explorer. Here you can see recycle bin is now pinned. Go to your recycle bin, right click here and choose pin to start. Now launch your start menu. Here you can see recycle bin is pinned now. Go to start menu, type here GP edit, click here, click on computer configuration, click on administrative templates and click on Windows components. Scroll down, look for this Windows installer, double click. Now locate turn off Windows installer, double click, click enabled, hit apply and click OK. Click on start menu, go to settings, click on systems, now go to power, click on this downward pointing arrow and change these 3 minutes to never and one plugged in also to never. Click on this start menu, go to settings. Under setting, go to privacy and security, and here you will see this general icon. Click here and uncheck all this. Go to your start menu and type here system properties. Click on this view advanced system settings. Then go to remote view tab. Make sure this is checked, allow remote assistant connections to this computer. Select this circle, allow remote connection to this computer and check this box as well. Hit apply and then click OK. Now go to your network and sharing settings. Click here. Select your Ethernet, do a right click. Go to properties, uncheck this IPv6, hit OK, close this one and then go to your services, click here and look for this remote desktop configuration services and services user mode are up and running. Launch your start menu, type here control, click on control panel to categories, click on large icons, go to Windows tools, then double click on this disk cleanup and choose the file that you want to remove from the disk. You can also clean up your system files. After checking all the boxes, hit OK and then delete file. Click on search, type your GP edit, click on this edit group policy, double click on his computer configuration, click on administrative templates, click on systems, then click on device cards, click on turn on virtualization based security, double click here and now make it disabled, hit apply and click OK and that's it. Press window and R key together and type here %temp and then again %, hit OK. Select all by pressing Ctrl A and then press this delete button. Check this box and hit continue. Check this box and skip this one. And that's it. Press window and R button together and type here Prefetch and then press OK. It will ask for administrator permission. Click continue. Select all and press delete. Skip this and that's it. Launch your start menu, click on settings, go to apps, click on installed apps, click here, go to advanced options. Now under reset, click here. So if the app still isn't working, then click on reset. But that will permanently delete the app data. Click reset. Close this one and now come to your command prompt. Run it as an administrator. Provide your user account control permissions and type in your sfc /scan now and then press enter and let the process to finish. Go to start menu, type your command prompt, run it as administrator, provide your permissions and type in here this command and then press enter. Launch your start menu, type in your task manager, run it as an administrator, look for file explorer, right click and do a restart. In this way you can restart Windows Explorer's process. Press window and R key together, type here regedit and then press and go to file menu, click on import, go to the location where you have created your backup, select the file and hit open. Launch your start menu, type here command, run it as administrator, give your permission and type in this command and press enter. Launch your start button, click on settings, then go to systems, look for storage, click on storage sense and here you will see configure cleanup schedule. Currently by default it is showing as during low free disk space. You can also make it as every day, every week or every month. Launch your start menu, go to settings, under Bluetooth and devices, go to mouse, scroll inactive windows when hovering over them, just turn it on and that's it. If for any reason when you go here and click on this new and you find this comprehensive folder icon missing, then launch your start menu, type in your command, run it as administrator, click yes and then type in this command and then press enter. Launch your start menu, type here, select this Microsoft Common Console document, click here, double click on users, select administrator, do a right click, click on set password, then hit proceed and type here your new password and then click OK. You will see the message, the password has been set. Go to your start menu, do a right click, then go to terminal admin, click yes. If you see this message, Windows Terminal can be set as the Windows Terminal application in your settings, then click on open settings Under default terminal application, click here and choose Windows Terminal, hit save. Close this one, close all. Launch your start menu, type in your device manager, click here, click on keyboards, select standard keyboard, do a right click, click on update drivers, search automatically for drivers, hit close and close it, and then go again to your start menu, look for services, click here, human interface device services, double click here. If this is manual or disabled, turn this to automatic and click on start, hit apply and then click OK. Launch your start menu, click on settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, click on devices, scroll down, under more Bluetooth settings, under option view tab, check this box, show the Bluetooth icon in the notification area, hit apply and click OK. Launch your start menu, type in your services. In services, look for this background intelligent transfer service, double click here, make it automatic and click start, hit apply and click OK. Come down and double click on Windows Update, make sure this is automatic and service status is also start, hit apply and click OK. Launch your start menu again and type your Windows feature, select it, check this box for Net Framework 3.5 and hit apply, OK, and let Windows Update download the file for you. Then hit close. Launch your start menu, type in here resource, click on this resource monitor, look for the application that you want to suspend, just do a right click and then click on this suspend process, click suspend process, and if you want to resume this one, just come again to OneNote, do a right click and resume the process. Click on start menu, go to settings, click on Windows Updates and check for updates. Launch your start menu, click on settings, under personalization, go to start, turn off this show recommendations for tips, shortcuts, news apps and more. Launch your start menu, go to settings, then go to gaming, go to game bar and turn this off. Launch your start menu, click on settings, go to systems, click on this notification. To turn off these notifications, simply toggle this off. Launch your start menu, go to settings, then go to accessibilities, then go to visual effects and turn this off, transparency effect from here. Launch your start button, go to settings, click on network and internet, and here you will see this airplane mode. Turn it on. Press window button and V. Click this turn on, and now your clipboard is now on. Launch your start menu. Type here control. You will see this control panel. Click here. Under category, click on this downward pointing arrow. Choose large icon, and here you will see this option called indexing options. Click here. Now click on modify, and here you can choose the location where you want to start the indexing. I have kept my Microsoft Outlook check as enabled. It helps me to search my mails really very quick. Once done, click OK. Launch your start menu. Type here command. Run it as administrator. Provide your administrator privileges, and type in here command GPU update, then press enter. If for some reason it doesn't work, then use this command GPU update space /force, and then press enter. To use emoji, simply press window and holding window key, press full stop, and now you can use your favorite emojis here. Open your file explorer. Suppose I want to search pictures that were taken in 1909. It will show these search options here. Click on this drop down arrow. By choosing one of these search options, it can speed up file search, and also you can then close the search as well. Launch your start menu. Type here command. Click on run it administrator. Click yes, and type in here the command yes, and press enter. And type in the next command and press enter. Now restart your computer. Go to your start menu, type your command, run it as administrator, provide your permissions, and type in here command. The letter D denotes your affected drive that you want to fix. Press enter, and let's do its job. Press window and R key together. Type here MRT, press OK. Give your user account control permissions. This will open up Microsoft Windows Malicious software removal tool. Click next and choose the type of scan to begin with, like quick scan, full scan, customized scan, and that's it.